Okay guys, we got Ktuner installed. Unfortunately, I don't have TSP Stage 1 yet. I bought it used from a guy. Apparently it's like model year specific, so I had to buy another one, and they only deliver them during normal business hours. So today I'm gonna try out the starter map for like the 23 PSI tune. Okay, so all the lights went off, all the error lights, but the Ktuner screen isn't coming on. I'm checking the OBD2 connection, and it's definitely good, and it's definitely plugged in here. There. The thing I'm most excited about right now, testing out this base map, is no rev hang. I am very excited about that. Oh my god, that's much better. Babe, look at the RPM gauge when I put the clutch in. Look how fast they drop. Oh, that's
so smooth.
That's way better than before. Oh my god. I'm gonna put the window down so we can hear the exhaust. Oh my god. Just like that. Just like that. No more fucking jolts from first to second. And I haven't even gotten onto the street yet. That's phenomenal. That feels
so smooth.
You can feel the difference too?
Mm-hmm.
See, that really says something. When your passenger can feel the difference between how much rev hang is on the stock tune to the base map right here, that says something. That's so cool. Okay, so babe, so the way it works is, so this is in normal mode, right? Like, we're not in sport mode, it's just normal driving mode. Oh my god! That shifts so much better!
Yeah, it does.
Normal driving mode is 19.5 PSI. Stock, the most I saw was 17 PSI. So when I floor it, I want you to look at the PSI gauge. You can also see it right. I guess not. I want you to tell me what the highest is that you see. Oh my god, that feels way better. Wow. That is a huge difference. Yeah, I need to figure out a good place to mount this, because it's kind of in the way right there. And then when you put it in sport mode, it brings it up to 23 PSI. So I'm gonna put it down. Actually, you know what? We're just gonna fucking go for sport mode right now. We're gonna see how it goes. I'm gonna get down to like second gear, around 3,500 RPM, and I'll put it to the floor. Let them go. Probably gonna catch up quick. All right. Holy shit. That's awesome. Can you feel the difference?
Yep. I can feel a huge difference.
That's awesome, man. That's so it was like 23 PSI exactly. Which is super cool, man. Not you, babe. I'm talking to the guys right now. It's also super cool, babe. No rev hang. Much more power. When all that boost kicked in, the car sounded like, I don't know, it's never accelerated like that, obviously, but that was so fucking cool, man. I'm gonna take it out of sport mode. We're gonna try it again. I'll probably do like a third gear pull. Yeah, I'm gonna try it again right now, without sport mode, in a third gear pull, and we're gonna see the max PSI. It would be really cool if they could figure out a way to give us like a rev matching, like a downshift rev matching feature in Ktuner. That'd be really neat. When we get the straightaway, I'm gonna put it down. Better too. That feels faster than it was before too. Do you think so?
I noticed a little bit of a difference. I noticed it more with sports mode on.
Yeah. That is fucking awesome. I would be really curious to see, and I think I might do this soon. I'd be really curious to see on a dyno what kind of power is made with the starter map, so with the 19.5 PSI tune, as well as the 23 PSI tune. And then also when I have my Stage 1 tune from TSP, I would like to get that dyno tuned as well to see how much power that makes. And my Ktuner just fucking yeeted out of here, yeah. All right, so that was highway driving. We're gonna do some city driving now. The suction cup failed a little bit, so I need to take it inside and clean it off because it's got lint and hair on it and stuff. Let me know where you guys keep your Ktuners. I've seen some people keep them here in the middle of the car. I've seen some people keep them over here like you know, they're extra boost gauges or something. I think for now I'm gonna keep it on the left side because I have a little GoPro mount here, so that when I do videos where the GoPro is like facing the cabin, it'll kind of get in the way. But anyway, I just can't believe how big of a difference it makes not having rev hang enabled. It feels way better. Driving this car doesn't feel like a chore, because I was explaining to Vivian off camera, basically the way I think of rev hang is when you're shifting, you're fighting with the engine to decide what RPM you want to be at, because the engine is still trying to hang on to those RPMs, and they're not letting the RPMs fall to where you want them to be, so you can engage your clutch in the gear that you're upshifting to. Now, you don't have to fight with the engine. You are telling the engine what RPM you want to go to, and it just makes driving it so much easier, honestly. The rev hang, like, it makes it more difficult to drive, and it sucks. And I get it, I understand it's for emissions and all that crap, but it sucks. I would like to get dyno tuned eventually, just to see what this car would make with the TSP Stage 1 and my intake and exhaust, and maybe by that time I'll have some other supporting mod, I don't know. As of right now though, I want to focus on getting some races and seeing what this car can do against other vehicles in its class, like WRX, GTI, Mazda Speed 3, Focus ST. Vivian and I actually went to Cars and Coffee this morning, and I embarrassed her because I brought a notepad and a pen, because I don't have business cards yet. But I went up to a few cars. I went up to a 8th gen sedan, 8th gen Civic Si sedan. I wrote a note and I said, hey, I like your car. I have a YouTube channel called this. You know, it's just my name, but some people have names for their channel. So anyway, I said, here's my YouTube channel. I like your car. I'd like to feature you on my channel. And I gave him my phone number, and he texted me back. I also put a note on a GTI, I think a Mark 6 GTI. So I think those were, I don't think they were that quick. Probably as fast as a stock 10th gen SI, in that range. So I'd never heard back from that guy, but I did hear back from another one, a 2004 WRX sedan. I'm gonna try to set some stuff up. I'm gonna get some business cards made, and then I'm gonna go to more car meets and meet more people, and hopefully set up some more videos where we can compare this car and see how it fares against other cars in its class. Because the tune does make a huge difference. I'd like to see if we could beat Sergio in his Cobalt. I know a lot of you guys were saying that with the TSP Stage 1 tune, I should be able to take him, but I don't know, man, those cars are really fast. I have to get used to driving this car without the rev hang now, because I'm so used to having to fight the engine. All right, guys, well, thanks for watching. That's all I have for today. When I get the TSP Stage 1 tune emailed to me, I'll be sure to make a video as soon as I get that. Have a good night, guys, and thanks for watching.